Hello everyone, it's Jason here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas, and today I'm standing on a boat we just took in on trade. It's a 2023 Harris 230 Cruiser, and this boat is super well equipped. We'll start off here. This boat has RGB lighting, not to mention super soft premium vinyl. One of my favorite features is the ski locker. Keep all that wet and large stuff out of the boat to prevent clutter. The optional table is included with this boat. It is the lounger table that folds away, tucks out of sight. Going to the helm area here, the helm has a lot of stuff going on it, like such as a wireless phone charger. It does have the Simrad touchscreen GPS, controls your data of your motor, inside, outside, and what's going on underneath the boat, as well as the digital throttle and shift. While you're in this beautiful boat here, it does come with the double bimini top. Ton of shade here in Texas. Just great for evening, night cruises as well. Last but not least, this is Harris's SL, stands for single lounger. This does move, and it also lays flat too. Awesome feature of the boat, ton of room. This boat is powered by a Mercury 200 horsepower V6. So for more information on this pre-owned 23 Harris Cruiser, my name's Jason here in MarineMax, Lewisville, Texas. Thank you.